Hey, you good?
Honestly, no. I graduated and everyone around me is figuring out their masters and I still have no idea where to go.
What's stopping you then?
Everything, yeah, AI is taking over half the fields. Every other field is so crowded. I'm just stuck.
I felt the exact same way after graduation. Until I found something which actually made sense.
What do you mean?
Health and hospital management. Just hear me out. Healthcare is one of the fastest growing industry in India right now. And this is something even AI can't replace. Because it runs on real people making real decisions.
Okay, but even for this, I don't know where to go, which college to choose.
Then you should choose IIHMR Delhi.
IIHMR Delhi.
There are 4 PGDM specialization in health and hospital management. Whether you are from medical or non-medical background, doesn't matter. Real hospital visits, live research and hand-on learning from day one. And a 9:1 student-teacher ratio for actual personal attention. The student get placed at EY, Deloitte and Fortis.
Why did nobody tell me about this before?
Everyone says that. Now you know what to do. Click on the link below and give your career its next leap.